In this video, we will demonstrate how to update firmware on the steering control module. Ensuring that your steering control module is on the most recent firmware will provide the latest vehicle support and added auto steer functionality. There are various methods for updating the SCM. We will cover all of them in this tutorial. After upgrading the in-command firmware, you may be presented with this message, prompting you to upgrade the SCM. Tap the green check to upgrade. Another method for updating is done when using firmware stored in the in-command display. Before accessing the firmware, ensure that the SCM is communicating with the display. First, tap the Setup wrench, then tap GPS Guidance Setup. In the GPS Guidance Setup page, you should see Steer Command Z2 Steady Steer above the drop-down menu. Now tap Console Setup. Tap the Advanced tab, then tap the Module Firmware button. In the Module Firmware Management screen, you will find all the module firmware that is stored in the display. Scroll down until you find the steering control module. Tap to highlight it. Then tap Upgrade. The last method for updating is done by manually uploading the firmware to the SCM from the USB. We must first download the firmware file from the knowledge base. Once logged in to the knowledge base, from the home page, we can click on the SCM Steer Command Z2 Steady Steer under Quick Links. From here, we can click on the firmware file, then click Download. Place a downloaded file on a USB. Then place the USB in one of the slots on the display. Next, on the home screen of the display, tap the Setup wrench. Tap GPS Guidance Setup. Then tap the wrench next to Steer Command. Select your vehicle from the list. Then tap the green check. Once we are in the Steer Command settings screen, tap Upgrade. Locate the SCM firmware file contained on the USB, then tap the green check to begin the upgrade process. You can verify that the SCM has been upgraded by viewing the release number in the Steer Command Technician tab. Now you will be able to successfully update your steering control module for the Steer Command Z2 and Steady Steer. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.